Hello everyone, welcome back to my Sherry studio. Today I'm going to make a thank you card for dog lovers because I have this beautiful set of stamps with these cute dogs. I can't decide which ones should I use, but I think I will choose 4 of them. I will stamp them using my stamping tool and waterproof Ranger Archival ink. And I'm coloring them using my watercolor pencils. I'm using Faber-Castell pencils. I'm also using Derwent, and they are my favorite. I really love them, they're really soft. And I also have some Corilo pencils. I have to tell you that this gray one, which I'm coloring now, is my favorite. It reminds me of my dog who passed away 2 weeks ago. I'm still very sad because of that. And this card is actually for my parents who were helping me a lot with my dog when he was really sick and I couldn't go to the vet because of my little baby. They were taking care of him, they were giving him pills, giving a drip. So, and now they're as sad as I am. So that is why I just want to thank them. Now I'm preparing background for the card using paper trimmer. And I decided to add some dog paws using my white jelly roll pen. I have this die cut sign, so very thankful, and I'm going to use some foam tape and attach it to my card. And now I'm adding some last details using this beautiful Finetec watercolor paint. It calls Fiji. I'm painting some small circles. And this is how ready card looks like. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the card, and I'm sending greetings especially to dog lovers, and I hope to see you soon in my next movie. Bye!